Hello everyone, let's dive into the DS Audio Altea-408, a passive two-way full-range PA system. This speaker packs a punch for its size, sporting an 8-inch bass loudspeaker and a 1-inch compression driver. Right off the bat, the Altea-408 feels robust. The black enclosure is clean and seems durable, ready to handle the bumps and bruises of transport and setup. One of the first things you'll notice is its versatility. The Altea-408 is designed to be stand-mounted, making it easy to integrate into existing setups. Plus, it has built-in rigging points, which is a huge plus for more permanent installations or when you need to get the speakers up and out of the way. The angled enclosure is a thoughtful touch, allowing it to be used as a stage monitor. Power-wise, the Altea-408 boasts a 600W peak power handling and 150W RMS. The frequency response starts at 70 Hz. In practice, this translates to a clear and present sound. The 8-inch woofer delivers a surprising amount of low end for its size, while the 1-inch compression driver ensures that the highs are crisp and well-defined. The Altea-408 is a solid choice for small to medium-sized venues, mobile DJs, or anyone needing a reliable and versatile PA speaker. The sound quality is impressive, the build is sturdy, and the features like rigging points and the angled enclosure add to its overall value.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.